Hey you guys, I miss you. Welcome to school. So, as you know, classes at Coastal are canceled until further notice due to coronavirus. So, we're all teaching from home. So, I hope you're all well and staying safe. I wanted to go ahead and make a video to tell you kind of how this class is going to go. I'll probably make a lot of videos, so whatevs. Anyway, I sent an email the other day and I was talking about clicking into the class, and a few people had questions about that, so I wanted to let you know what I meant by that. Basically, if you click into the class here, I can see that, and so that's what I mean by clicking into the class. So I do think you should be doing more in this class, though. Anyway, I wanted to tell you kind of how things are going to be set up. I went ahead and created a new schedule. You know how I hate making new schedules, but here we are. So I made a new schedule, and basically everything is just pushed back a week. And I only made it till spring break because hopeful person that I am, hopefully we'll be back by the end of spring break. Anyway, so everything's basically the same for this class. So, like on 326, your rough drafts are due. Basically, the stuff in bold is what's due on that date at 6 a.m. So, we're just going to go ahead and keep that. I just wanted you to see it. So, we're not working with a ton of days for right now. And if we do end up coming back after spring break, you won't get too far ahead. So, just let me know if you have any questions about that. Now, I wanted to show you some other stuff because I've set up the class a little bit differently. Um, I think it suits an online class a little bit better. So basically, I've got every date and what's due on those dates. So like for the 24th, what it was going to be was a catch-up day. So basically, it's a day that you work on your papers. I'm not going to take that away from you because we're now working at home. So work on your papers. I did create this thing, the attendance poll, just because I thought it would be fun and maybe just something to brighten somebody's day. So what I did was I've created a attendance poll. And so basically what you do is you click on that and you answer the question. And so the question for this one was, what are you doing now that you're stuck at home? And I went ahead and put a picture up of what I'm doing, watching lots of Disney with my kid. Anyway, so back to business here. Couple things I want to tell you. Number one, I've got a list of things to go over here, but number one, I'm probably going to give you a lot of videos and probably a weekly video that I'm going to put in announcements, kind of telling you what's going on. So this will be in announcements. Later, though, whenever we do have the peer review, which is Thursday, I'm going to give you a video that shows you the outlines how you're going to actually do the peer review, and I'm going to put you in your groups. Can't put you in your groups until I know who turns in their rough drafts, so that's why I have to wait. Please go ahead and get those in at 6 o'clock because that's when I'm going to start assigning groups. Okay, so cool. I would say that when we're in an online class, especially when we started out as a seated class, it is important to check your email every day. I'll try not to do but so many, but I'm probably going to email you a lot. So there's that. And then you may see that I emailed you something already. It's a Zoom invitation. And so basically what Zoom is it's a platform where we can video conference if you want to. Now, some teachers, and I always find this to be kind of silly, but some teachers actually use it. There's Bethany. Yay, she accepted. So I know y'all, it works. But some teachers try to do this to kind of have like this big class where we all get together and we all have a conversation. Everything I've read about online teaching says that that kind of learning is not really what works. So the only reason I'm using Zoom is more for like virtual office hours. So if you have a question and you're like, okay, I really want to talk to her, I really want to see her face, or I really want her to kind of walk me through something, that's more what I'm using this for. So if you don't want to do it, you don't have to. Another thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to give you my phone number because I like FaceTime better anyway, and I can do just about the same thing in FaceTime. So I'm going to do FaceTime too. And I've gotten to a point where I'm like, I don't care. I give everybody my phone number from the Writer Center, so why don't I give it to my students? So you're getting it. So do that. And then I think that's about it. Again, I'm going to put these videos in announcements, and it's going to go to a YouTube page, but you really don't ever have to check into that page because the videos are going to be embedded in the course. So, and then on that announcement, I'll go ahead and include my phone number. So feel free to call. The way I'm setting up my office hours is that I'm just going to be available, mostly available from 9 to 3, Monday through Friday. Now, I do usually get up and take my kid for a walk because she's going crazy too and she's not in school. So, if you leave me a voicemail or whatever, I'll get back to you. Not a big deal. But I'm pretty much glued to this computer during that time. So, really, feel free to contact me and just let's do it during those hours. And then if you send me an email and you're like, okay, why doesn't she email me back? Because I just basically turn off my computer at 3 because I'm trying to make sure that I have work at work and you get it. Work and work at home. And it's all at one place now and we're all going crazy. And well, I guess that's it. Now that I'm thinking about it, I guess that's it. So you guys stay safe. Please let me know if you need anything, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.